So we're going to take a look at three molecules that have the same parent electron domain geometry, which is tetrahedral, but their shapes are different and their bond angles are all different. So let's take a look at why. So methane, which is CH4, if you draw the Lewis structure, it's going to look like this, and I'm going to attempt to draw it a little more in 3-dimension. So that H and that H are on the same plane, and this one is coming out at you. Draw that a little bit bigger, and then this one's going behind the screen. So these angles here are 109.5 degrees because we have 4 equivalent bonds. Here we have 4 electron regions of electron density, and all 4 of them are bonded to other atoms. Then you're expected to get 109.5 bond angles. Now let's take a look at the next molecule is ammonia. That one's going to look a little different. This is blue in methane, and ammonia is that's CH4 for methane. NH3 is ammonia. If you draw the Lewis structure, it's going to look very similar. That's what you'll get. And again, I'll try to do that in 3 dimensions. Put the H there. This lone pair is on the same plane. Now, this hydrogen is coming out at you in front of the screen. I'll make that a little bit bigger. And then this one is going behind the screen, a little bit smaller. Notice the similarity in that they have electron regions that are 109 tetrahedral shape. But because this is a lone pair, lone pairs repel bonding pairs. Let me do this in a different color. Lone pairs repel bonding pairs more than bonding pairs repel other bonding pairs. So there's more of a repulsion there. The bond angle here is less than 109 degrees. So you have your lone pair repulsion is the greatest repulsion, followed by lone pair to bonding pair repulsion, and the least is the bonding pair to bonding pair repulsion. That's what you see in methane, and this is what you see, actually both of these you see in ammonia. Okay, also here. And now you can predict we're going to see lone pair when we get to water. So I think that's what it was, water. Let's say this last one, and let's go with this. Can't make up my mind. Let's go with maroon. All right, so water again. If you do draw the Lewis structure, it's going to look very similar. These two guys are on the same plane, and then these two guys are on the same plane, and then this guy's coming out at you, and this guy's going behind. Now you have this lone pair extra repulsion, and then they're also repelling these guys. Okay, so this angle here is about 104.5 degrees. They're repelled more by the extra lone pair, so they're squeezed together a little bit more. All 4 of them have a parent geometry, electron region geometry of tetrahedral. The NH4, the CH4, sorry, the methane is tetrahedral. with bond angles of 109.5. The ammonia is trigonal pyramidal. It's a pyramid with a triangular base, and the water is bent. Over there, and over there.